Alright, I didn't get a chance to show you guys that I put everything back together. But I did take this to Arkansas with the new fuel pump, lift shackles, fixed a little bit of wiring with the trailer lights. I did put a couple of tires on it. I did plugs, coils, power steering hose, if we can see it down there somehow. Maybe not. Yeah, let's get a look at it from here. I did also change some vacuum hoses out. Some of that stuff fell apart when I pulled it off. Oh, let's see. There we go. Power steering hose. It looks like I got a little oil leak, I'm gonna say. Oh yeah, it's from that switch or sensor, whatever you want to call it. All in all, for 600 miles on the road, it did pretty awesome. I did rear diff fluid, oil change, transmission, along with the clutch fluid got changed. New slave cylinder, master cylinder, new front shocks on both sides. Yeah. Obviously new power steering fluid with the new hose. And you know how these Fords are, you can't do an oil pan gasket unless you take the motor out. And I ain't doing all that yet. I will change that oil pressure sensor, the switch, whatever you want to call it. But it towed. I'm gonna show you what it towed. Oh, it was me. Oh, I also did new coolant, by the way, for what that's worth. And it's got a new Duralast battery. What else? No, that's it for right now. I towed my father-in-law lent me borrow his side-by-side and his trailer. I towed that. The 3 kids and the wife and myself, plus a truck bed full of gear, helmets, living essentials, food, a big cooler. The bed was filled up pretty well, and it did awesome. So we went to Wolfpen Gap in Mena, Arkansas. That's Wolfpen ATV campground. I think they use a singular word, Wolfpen, all one word, as opposed to how it's really spelled, Wolfpen separated. Anyway, alright, well, the F-150's back together. I did not get around to modifying the frame like I'd wanted to for the bend in it, where I had got the little fender bender a couple years ago. I didn't change the bumper or nothing. I'm gonna get to all that down the road, but you can see how the bed's bent right here, a little offset. Gap, excuse me, the gap's a little different. You can see where it contacted. See where it was up against the bumper at one point. But that's that. We will see you guys around.